So this is just a video on spray nozzles or bubblers and the filters. So you go to IKEA and you buy a product and you get to the end and you're like, man, I've still got all these parts left, where the hell do they go? Guys, if it comes in the package, it means that you need to install it. Every single one of these bags, they come with a filter, and not a single one of these bubblers has a filter on, which means all you've gone and done is you've just thrown those filters straight in the trash, which, yes, do they work? But then I get a call back saying, hey, not all of our bubblers are working. So you can see down here, this one isn't working. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clamp it. I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna turn the water off. I'm going to unthread the top, and I'm willing to bet, there we go, no filter. And what's inside? Probably can't quite see that on the camera, but there's some junk inside there. Come back to my valves. I'm going to turn this valve back on, and if we look over there, I don't know if you can see it in the film, but we've got a geyser going on, so that's blowing out all of that dirty water, anything that was stopping that nozzle from working. Go ahead and turn this guy back off now that it's cleaned out. Now I want to make sure you guys are really watching this, because this bit can be very tricky. You take the filter that comes in the bag with the nozzle and you put it in. That hurt to do, that was really tricky. And then I take the nozzle and then I screw it in, making sure not to cross thread it. And I can take my clamp tool and I can take it off. Turn my valve back on. And voila, as if by magic, it's working again. If it comes in the package, that means you need to use it. Put the filters in. For those MP rotators, they already have the filter already attached to the nozzle. Spray nozzles, don't be lazy. Put the filter in, otherwise we're only going to be coming back to redo it.